I'm going to attempt to use lasers to prove that the Earth is flat. That the Earth, in fact, has a lack of curvature. If you observe water, the surface is usually seen as flat unless there's a wave. No known edge to the world has been found. While we're at it, is gravity a hoax? And then, you know, the Antarctic ice wall, right? So there's a lot of scientific rebuttals that you can see the curvature, that the concept of the Earth having an edge doesn't matter. That's a convenient argument. They try to show you that gravity exists, right? And that there isn't an Antarctic ice wall. And then you have all these space agencies like NASA and ESA, and they all try to prove that the Earth is in fact curved. But I'm going to use lasers today to prove to you, beyond any shadow of doubt, that the world is in fact flat. As you can see here, my experiment is running. We're just going to give this some time here. I'll explain what's going on shortly, but we're using this laser and it's going back and forth, and we're going to use this right here to prove that in fact the Earth is flat. There you have it, irrefutable proof that the world is in fact flat. Look at that. That is flat. How can you tell me the Earth is a sphere when we're looking at it right here? It's flat. It's flat. Okay, let's be serious. The Earth is not flat. There is an observable curvature. Welcome to Ryan Mercer, where we explore the wonders of our world and universe beyond. Today we're diving into the intriguing debate between the flat Earth theory and the scientific understanding of our planet's shape. Obviously, a lot of people on the internet think that the Earth is in fact flat and that the curvature is not visible. You know, while it's true that the curvature isn't necessarily apparent from ground level, you don't have to go very high in the air to start to see the curvature. And then you have things like the radio horizon for radio propagation. You know, the world is in fact curved. Flat earthers often claim that no one has discovered the edge of the Earth. You know, this is laughable. The Earth is roughly a sphere, and you can't find the edge because you keep going far enough and you start back where you started, right? They try to deny gravity, and somehow they've made this the cornerstone of the flat Earth theory. Yet, gravity is, yes, it's a theory, but it's an observable force. It's crucial for understanding the motion of the Earth and in the cosmos. Without gravity, life as we know it, including the behavior of the oceans, the atmosphere, planetary orbits, it would all be impossible. Never mind the fact that when I drop this, something is attracting this. That's not magic. There's no witch that cast a spell and did this. This is gravity. This is one measurable effect of gravity. You know, we drop it, it falls. We drop it, it falls. If there wasn't gravity, I'd let go of this and it would just free float here, but it falls, right? So there's this notion that there's this vast conspiracy involving NASA and other government agencies. It's completely unfounded. The evidence for a spherical Earth comes not just from NASA, but from space agencies and scientists worldwide. It would be impossible to organize some global conspiracy to cover that up. There would be someone, an intern, someone's wife, somebody would come forward and be like, oh yeah, that's totally fake. My husband told me. But there's no credible source that there's some global conspiracy. You can't even get agreement within NASA on if they should fund a specific program, or if some research is worth pursuing, or if we should use this widget or that widget on the newest probe, right? So how are you doing this at a global level? The Earth, I'm afraid, is not flat. This is flat, and it is a representation of the continents, including Antarctica. But the world's not flat, guys. This has been Ryan Mercer. I had to make this video. Keep questioning, keep exploring, keep your mind open, but don't fall for things that you can easily find answers that disprove. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.